Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says, what is the slope of a ramp that has a vertical increase of 2 feet for every 10 feet in length? So in this problem, we're going to use the definition of slope as rise over run. The letter M is used to represent the slope. The rise is the vertical change, and the run is the horizontal change. We may be able to see that better if we draw a picture. For every 10 feet in length on the ramp, there's a rise of 2 feet. And so all I'm going to do is substitute and write the ratio. The rise, or the vertical change, is 2 feet. The run, or the horizontal change, is 10 feet. If I reduce the fraction 2 over 10, dividing by 2 over 2, I will get 1/5. Or we can write that as a percentage and say the slope of the ramp is 20%.